Bonjour and welcome to the Gourmet French Chef. My name is Chef Eric and I have over 40 years of experience in French cuisine in professional kitchen. And now I want to share that knowledge with you. That's why I created the Gourmet French Chef, a complete step-by-step program designed for passionate home cooks. You will learn not just how to make authentic French dishes, but the techniques and the principles behind them. The same foundation we learn as professional French chefs. And the best part, you can follow along at your own pace from your own kitchen with my personal support whenever you need it.
How to access your programs. Once you purchase your programs, simply log into your member area. Then click on My Program. On this page, you will find all the programs you've purchased. To follow a recipe, select the program of your choice by clicking on it. You'll then gain access to all its content, including recipes, chef guides, and other important PDFs. Choose a recipe. Most of the recipes have a video tutorial with Chef Eric, as well as a step-by-step PDF guide. The PDF includes a complete list of ingredients with metrics, imperials, and US conversions, chef tips and advices, historical insights into certain recipes offering you a deeper understanding of French culinary culture. Once you've purchased your programs, they are yours for life. You can access them anytime at your own pace with no schedule or order to follow. Watch the videos whenever you like and in any sequence. For example, you might start with the soup today and move on to a dessert tomorrow. The choice is entirely yours.
If you're ready to finally master French cuisine with clarity and confidence, I invite you to join me. So let's begin your journey.